Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me for today's tutorial. So this is my fries box. It's from Simply Made Crafts and this is a lovely little gift box here because they close at the top. So this is like a traditional shaped fries box but with a closing top, and in the die set you also get the die where you can use the curve to trim it out to make a proper fries box. So let's have a quick look at the die set. So this is the Simply Made Crafts fries carton die set. It does the whole thing in one pass, and we have these lovely curved score lines here, so it's really easy to put together. And then you have all of these extra bits and bobs here for decorating. Now this one here, this is a curved, so you don't actually get it doesn't actually cut the straight bit there, but that is the curved die. So let's have a quick look inside, and you would use this just under here, and on the other side you'd pop it up at the top, and that will create an open box. It's a bit glary there. So here's a quick example. I have started on Christmas already, so this is full of treats, and this is the fry box, and I've popped them onto some candy canes. So that is my sleigh. Let's pop that there. That's quite heavy, but that is really nicely balanced. And again, these boxes, they stand up too. Really cool. Okay, so that is the die set. I've popped this onto a magnetic sheet with a bit of cardboard behind just for support. That makes it so much easier to use. Okay, and again I'm going to be using these Stampin' Die sets here, the Great Night In Labels A5 stamp set and the Coordinating Great Night In Labels die set. Now this comes as a pack of two. I think it comes with a little sleeve. Let's have a quick look. There you go. It comes as a little bundle, and that's bundled together, so they go together. Okay, let's pop that over there. Okay, so you are going to be needing a large format die cutting machine. As you can see, it just comes off the edge there, so you're going to be needing an A4 size. So this has done all the score lines, so what I'm going to do now is just fold those in very gently. And the papers that I'm using are from the Great Night In, and all that will be listed down below. Now don't forget this one at the bottom as well. Now this central line here, the one that's straight, that goes inwards. Okay, so it's up to you whether you want to have this on the outside here, or whether you want to glue it in and have it on the inside just like that. So I'm going to add glue just to here, and I'll be using Cosmic Shimmer today because it dries pretty fast, which I like. There we go. That should go in. There we go. And again, it's up to you whether you want to have this flap here on the outside, just like so, or popped in on the inside. I've put it on the outside on this one, and I've put it on the inside on this one, so it will work both ways. It just depends on whichever way you find easier. So have a little experiment and see which way that you prefer. Obviously, if the tab is on the inside, it's going to be a slightly cleaner finish. So I'm just matching up the points here, and then press everything down, and that is the fry box put together. So just wait for your glue to dry properly. Okay, so I'm not going to put that together yet. I want this side to dry before I start to put it together, but it does come together. So I have got some treats in here already. So I have put some popcorn in here, but this is going to be perfect for pick and mix, sweets, or any other treats that you want to put in here for when you're watching a film. Again, this makes a great child-sized portion as well. If you're wary about giving the kids too much sugar and sweets and things, this is the perfect size. Okay, so let's move on to the decorating. As I said, I'm going to be using these two here, and I'm also going to be using the stitched and pierced scallop nesting ovals. This is perfect for layering up all the colours, and I'll be taking some different pattern papers from the collection to decorate. And that is our fries box. Put the lid on this before I have to get my pin out and unplug it. So we're now ready to pop this together. So all you have to do is push that in, fill it with your treats, and then you're good to go. Oh, I forgot about this. Is it too late for that? I might save this for another one. Okay, so that is the Simply Made Crafts fries carton die set. So here is the die set. So again, some really easy makes here. It cuts it all out in one go, and you have some really cool, quick and easy treat boxes. So thank you for joining me today. Give me a thumbs up if you like this one, and I'll see you again soon.